Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 4 power x by 16 equal 100 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this 4 power x by 16 equal 100 as 4 power x on left hand side and take the 16 to other side. So it comes in multiplication. Now I am taking log on both sides. So log 4 power x equal log 100 times 16. So I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is log a power b. We can write it as b log a, and log a times b as log a plus log b. So this becomes x log 4 equal log 100 plus log 16. So if I'll divide both sides by log 4, so this will cancel out. So x is equals to log 100 plus log 16 by log 4. Now log 100, I can write it as log 4 times 25 plus log 16 as log 4 square by log 4. Again, I'm going to use the same identity, so it becomes log 4 plus log 25 and this becomes 2 log 4 by log 4. So x is equals to log 4 by log 4 plus log 25 by log 4 plus 2 log 4 by log 4. So x is equals to 1 plus this becomes log 25 as 5 square by log 4 and this will cancel out also. So this gives 2. So x is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus this becomes 2 log 5 by log 4, which we can rewrite it as 3 plus 2 log 5 with this 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.